Everyone and welcome here. This is Daily Motivational channel. I'm so grateful for seeing you here. My name is Naomi. I am a mindfulness practitioner, teacher, and I'm helping others to overcome stress. These days, the society with is so hard to stay calm, relaxed, and enjoying our life. And I'm here to help you through and to find your harmony and relaxing zone with mindfulness. So if you are ready and you would like to take part, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel as well. Let's change our outfit. I know you just get home from work and you want to feel relaxed. So let's change your outfit and find a comfortable place where you can practice a couple of minutes of mindfulness session. If you are ready, let's go for it. And here we are. Find a comfortable place to stay. Sit down. The position really doesn't matter. Just make sure your back is straight, your spine is straight, so you're allowing all the air comes to your lungs and changing with the flow. Let's release all the stress and anxiety what you have inside of your body. Take a couple of minutes by inhale it with your nose and exhale everything from your mouth. Now let's stretch our neck. Circle it one side to the other side. Just relax it. During the day might you was working in front of the computer, so your neck is really stiff. Might you been driving for a while, or doesn't matter. Just relax it up a little bit. There is no right or wrong way to do so, just the way as how is it feels for you. Now let's stretch a little bit for our arms. Let out everything. Feel it, how you're relaxing your arms, stretching it side to side. And keep breathing. Stretching it for upwards. A little bit your hips. Smile if you can. And our back as well, side to side. Turn a little bit. Give a nice stretch for it. And now let's get back to relaxing our mind. Inhaling with our nose and relaxing everything from our mouth. Yeah, let's have this flowing. Just inhale it. Let's do one together. And release. Inhale it and release. Now bring that memory of what made you so stressful today. Might it was in your job, with your coworker, or maybe your neighbor or a family member, or might be your friend. Doesn't matter who was that. The most important, you just let it out. Breathe into new chapter in your life by releasing that stress, and exhale everything what is not serving you well any longer. Inhaling new things into your life and exhale it all the stress what you've been through during this day. The best way to do so is bring up a memory which you made so happy. Place one of your hands to your heart area, to your chest, and bring that picture to life. This is your own personal memory, and it's meant for only for you. Only you can be happy with this memory, and you can recall it as many times as you wish so. So whenever you're feeling angry or anxious about the past or the future, just bring that picture back. To be honest, for me is when I pass my theory test. I don't think so. I've been happier ever in the last few years. So it's just like, wow, I was so happy. I cannot explain how happy I was. But for you, it might be something else, maybe a person, maybe a friend, who knows? But bring it up. And allow yourself to be fully present of the now, because what's going on now is your choice. You deciding what you're allowing to come to your life and how you deal with your life. So if you want to be stressful in the rest of your life, is a choice. This is your own personal choice. But what if we learn how to release it? By doing so, we have to take a couple of big, deep breaths. Look at me now, I'm already happy, I'm already feeling alive, like everything get out from my body, from my mind, and I'm here in the present moment when I can do, be, and have whatever I want. By finishing our session, just warm up your palms and touch your face, sending a little love for your own self. Thank you guys for being here. See you very soon. I hope you're feeling well, and bye everyone.